that one from? Is that Minnie Mouse? Yeah, Minnie Mouse. All right, here's another one. Open that one.
That.
Can you get it?
No.
Oh, don't chew it.
There.
Can Mommy help?
No.
Okay, you get it.
No.
Okay, let Mommy help. Look. All right, there you go.
Oh, welcome.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Oh, what's that one say? Happy 2nd birthday. That's for Mommy. That's from Grandma Carolyn. This is for Kylie. Do you know what that is?
Okay.
You say money? Money? Can you hold it and say cheese? Hold it and say cheese.
No.
Where's your balloons?
Go. Yeah.
Get your balloons.
No.
Why? You don't want to play with them?